Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassie here. So yeah, I haven't seen you guys in so long and I have somehow gained a lot of new subscribers, I think from my magnetic false eyelash extension video. So I just want to say hi to everyone new and thank you for subscribing. I hope you like my videos, including this really weird one I'm about to do right now. Okay, so this is the package that it came in. When you open it up, you've got this pretty packaging thing. And then you have these cute little extras, which I think is such a cute little touch. Like if you look closely, there's all these like little cute filaments, I think is what they're called. And there's candy, there's her like tattoo, I think, and her business card as well as care instructions. And then you got stickers. I also got two other pieces of candy, but I already ate it. And the slimes are all packaged up in bubble wrap, so none of them came spilled or anything. This one I already took off the bubble wrap, so that's why you don't see it. And yeah, that's pretty much how it came. Everything's super well packaged, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the slime now. So this first slime is green tea themed. It is a butter slime, meaning it's really smooth, spreadable, as you can see in this video. I didn't need to use any additional activator for this one. It came out beautifully. This one is Taro Milk Tea, and it is scented brewed cup of black tea. It's a glossy slime and it's a thick slime. I definitely had to add some activator with this one because if I didn't, it would just stick to my hand like crazy. This one is called Baby Butts, and it is a Phloem Slime, meaning it has little styrofoam balls in it, and it's colored with little blue balls as well as pink stars. I had a lot of fun inflating this one, and I just really like the sound that it makes. This one's Pink Gecko Beach, and it is a cloud slime that is scented coconut and tropical fruit. This slime came to me extremely crumbly at first, and so I followed the instructions and added some activator to make it a little more like clingy so that it clings to one another. But I still don't think I can get the hang of cloud slime. It's really like tough and it doesn't drizzle properly. I don't really know what I'm doing wrong, so yeah. It's still really fun to play with, and it's satisfying to like fluff it up and then squish it with your hands. But if anyone has any suggestions on how I could have, made it more drizzly and made it more fluffy, then please let me know in the comments below. Okay, so the total cost of my order plus shipping in Canadian dollars is $100.65. So $100.65 plus another $15 for customs fee. Yes, that's right, I had to pay for customs. It ended up costing me about 116 Canadian dollars for 5 different types of slime. And yes, it sounds really silly to be spending this much money on slime, but you know, if you're a big fan of slime like me, I think it's worth splurging once and just getting one type of every single slime you can get your hands on, and then you'll be satisfied, and that's all you'll need. Yeah, that pretty much concludes my slime video. If you guys haven't checked out OG Slimes, you should go check her out because she comes up with a lot of really cool stuff. And one thing I've learned is that I never knew it would be so hard to play with slime. Like, from watching the Instagram videos, like, they make it look so easy, like just poke, flip, create a bubble, pop, and then, you know, go like this and then drizzle. But for some reason it's like really difficult for me, and I don't know if it's just because they're all not activated enough, or I just don't know what the hell I'm doing, and it actually comes with practice. But yeah, I just thought that was really funny. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also click the subscribe. Oh my god, how many times do I have to trip over that word? Just click the I did it again! The subscribe button. I think it's over here. Okay, well, either here or here. I think it's opposite, yeah. So it's down here. Please click that subscribe button if you enjoyed watching this. I usually do makeup videos and makeup reviews and fashion hauls and stuff like that. So if that's what you enjoy watching and you like me, then just click that button below. Okay, bye guys!